welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm gonna be doing a Valentine's Day set of nails. So I'm going in with the color Cover Blush by Jcbeautyconcepts. I'll be sure to leave the information down below with a promo code as well. The brush that I'm using is in the number 10 by Alpha Brush. I'll leave that link below as well. So as you guys can see, this is a fill, so I'm just going in to basically fill in the back of the nail where the new growth was, and also making sure that I still build a good apex and thickness at the tip. But of course, like I said, since it is a fill, we're just mainly focusing around that cuticle area to make sure that we build a nice apex. That way our nails do not break off. So I am going to be doing a little bit of glitter. I'm also going to be doing an ombre nail, and then I am going to be doing some bling. And right here, when it comes to doing an ombre nail, you want to make sure that whenever you brush the product down, that you don't brush it down too hard, because you don't want to brush it all the way down towards the white, or like all the way towards the tip, because it's going to take from that ombre effect. So place your bead down close to the cuticle area, and then very gently brushing it in the middle to make sure that it's well blended. And then I go in with some clear to encapsulate the nail. Alrighty, so for this one, I'm just going in and doing a thin layer of clear. That way the glitter has something to stick to, because my glitter is not like glitter acrylic. It's literally just loose glitter. So what I do is get a small bead of the clear acrylic, dip it into my glitter, and then place it on the nail. And this is just a pink glitter, and then I do have some hearts that I'm gonna be adding in there as well. So this is gonna be kind of like an ombre, where the tip will be clear and then there's gonna be glitter at the back. And then, like I said, I'm just placing random little hearts in there as well, and then of course encapsulating with the clear. And when you encapsulate, that's basically so whenever you go into file, you don't file away the hearts. So like I said, we're gonna go in and place the glitter and then the clear, and then moving on to the next nail. Alrighty, so for this nail, I'm gonna do basically the same thing that I did on the ring finger, except for I'm gonna do it over the white, and then the ombre is gonna be basically like a regular ombre where the glitter will be at the tip, and then the nude color coming from the cuticle area. So same thing, just placing the first glitter and then placing the hearts. After that, I'm gonna go in with the nude, blending it in the middle, making sure that I don't drag that acrylic down too far to where the glitter is, and then we're gonna go in and encapsulate with the clear. Alrighty, so we're finishing up this hand, and this is what the nails look like after the acrylic application. Really nice and smooth. So now we're going in to reshape them. I am using an 80/80 hand file, and as always, filing the sides and the free edge at exactly a 90-degree angle. That way we get that perfect coffin shape. And as always, make sure that as you're filing, you want to make sure that you're really paying attention to that shape, because you definitely will be able to see it change as you're filing. Whenever I file the free edge, I like to hold the nail really straight and then hold the file at a vertical angle, and I feel like that gives you that really sharp free edge, like really squared. But whatever works for you is completely fine. And then also, whenever I am filing, I do make sure that I hold the bottom of the nail with my finger. That way their nail is not just wobbling all over the place, especially with them being really long. You definitely don't want to hurt your client's finger. Alrighty, so up next we're going in with the e-file, and I am using my extra fine drill bit, and this one is a little bit different than the one that I usually use. This one is a little bit more narrow at the tip, and y'all, when I say I absolutely love this one, I noticed, like, I started paying more attention to my work, and I was noticing that I was leaving too big of a gap between the cuticle area and the acrylic. And so with this one, I'm able to really just get in there and get it, you know, like basically seal the cuticle area really good without making such a huge gap. So definitely recommend this drill bit. I'll be sure to leave the link down below for you guys. But as you guys can see, going from the right side all the way over to the left side, going back and forth, and it leaves my cuticle area really nice and neat. And I like, it almost makes me like, now that I figured out what I was doing wrong, it's like it literally makes me excited to do a next set to see, you know, how good I'm able to make it look. But you definitely want that cuticle area to look really nice and neat. You don't want a big hump at the back because you want it to look, even though of course these are acrylic nails and there's nothing natural about these, but you just want it to be really flat and, you know, around, like right around the cuticle area, to where it almost looks like the acrylic is just growing out of the cuticle area, if that makes sense. I also forgot to mention that during this step I am using the e-file at 10,000 RPMs, and this is the KANON e-file by MELODYSUSIE. Of course, I do have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave that information down below. And as always, if I forget to link any link in the description, just be sure to leave me a comment and I'll be more than happy to come back and add it for you. Alrighty, so up next I'm just going in with my buffer and we're gonna buff those nails really good. This is just gonna get rid of any of the scratches left on the nails from the hand file or the e-file, so make sure that you never ever skip this step, because if not, you will be able to see those scratches through your polish or your top coat. Alrighty, so after that I just dust the nails off and then I'm going in with an alcohol wipe, and then I am going to be applying some bling, and then I'm also going to be using this nail liner by McCart, so I'll be sure to leave the link down below. The glue that I'm using for the stones is the Soleil nail adhesive, so I just place a little bit of that right in the middle and then I place my bling right over that. A lot of this bling I do have on my website, so I'll be sure to leave that link down below as well. I also have the wax pencil on there. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and randomly place some bling on the nails, and then after that we're gonna spray them with the hurry up spray, which is a spray that helps that glue dry a lot faster. So I definitely recommend it if you're using a gel resin, since it is a little bit thicker than just regular nail glue. It does take longer to dry, so like I said, I definitely recommend that spray. And then after that we're just gonna go in and apply the gel top coat, which I use the top coat Apres. I'll leave that link down below as well, but for the pinky and the thumb I am gonna go in and do some outlines with the silver gel liner. Like I said, these are by Madam Glam and I really like them. They're super shimmery and super pigmented, so I am absolutely in love with these. Alrighty y'all, so here is the final look. As you guys can see, they turned out absolutely beautiful. I love those colors, the hearts, and just everything about these nails. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at GetNail32, and I will see you guys next time.